Hi guys, today we're going to install this head unit in brand new Fiat Ducato 2026. It doesn't have radio at the moment, but imagine that if your van have head unit, it will be the exactly same removal. I'll show you how to remove the original head unit, and I'll show you how to install a brand new one, which you can find in the link below in the description. So let's start. First thing you need to do is unclick this here like this, then put your fingers here inside, and then on the bottom like this, and it's out, and you can see both screws holding the original radio. Same thing from the other side. Okay. Now we can remove the screws from here. I used a G25 screwdriver. Okay, you have few clips at the top and at the bottom. With the removal tool, just pull it front like this, and same thing from the other side. And then what you can remove this. What you need is the cables for the radio, which are connected here, but there's not actual radio at the moment here. Okay, this is our harness. If you have a head unit, it should look different, but if you don't have, it should look like this. I'll show you now what we are doing next. The thing we're going to do is we're going to test if everything is working here before to through all the wires. First thing you need to do is to connect the CAN bus into the wiring harness, then connect the main power harness here, and this one, which is for the steering wheel buttons and original settings. Two cables connection. It's for the steering wheel buttons. We are connecting it here, and now we're connecting the wiring harness. Okay. Now we can switch on the ignition and see if it's working. Okay, we see now that the head unit is working, and we can switch off ignition and continue with the installation. Alright, so we have connected the plug for the rear view camera. We have rear view camera installed in this van as well. Here is connected. Next thing, the RCA cable with the slot for the SIM card. Start connecting it here. We have external microphone, which we're going to install near the driver's side. Okay, we have the microphone here now. What we're going to do is to plug it to the back of the radio. We have mic here. This we have the radio antenna. Okay. Now we're going to install the 4G aerial. Just stick it somewhere into the plastic and connect it here. Regarding the reverse camera, I have another videos of how to install it. If you want, you can check it. We already did this to this camper van. That's the GPS antenna. We have 3 USB cables here, which we're going to leave here in this gold box. What we're going to do is just remove it for now. The cables here, like this. And what we need to do is the SIM card slot. We need to put it together with the USB cables. Now we can connect the final parts here, which is the USB cables. That's the single USB cable as well. And what left is the radio antenna. Now we're going to connect the radio antenna here. Push all the cables behind, and now you can pull the 3 USB cables and the SIM card slot here. We made this hole for the USB cables and the SIM card slot. Okay, here they are. For the small glove box at the top. Okay, one last test to see if the stereo is turning on and the rear view camera is working. Look at that. Yeah, the camera is working perfectly. We can switch off the ignition now. Put the screws on the car stereo. I'm going to put back the vents. Okay. Nice.